This is a compound inequality because you have two inequality symbols. So what you want to do is, to solve this thing, you want to get n in the middle by itself. So the first thing you want to do is subtract 5 from the middle and both ends. And that gives you -4 is less than 5n is less than 20. And now you want to divide everything by 5. So now you're left with n in the middle and a -4/5. And if I looked at the number line, -4/5, of course, this means everything in between those two numbers. That's what this inequality means. So what integers are there? Let me change colors. That means I've got a 0, a 1, a 2, and a 3. 0 is an integer. So you don't include 4 because you do not have a line underneath your inequality symbol. So that's how you get 4.